One of Concerto's main features is its ability to open a wide variety of file formats. The fastest way to open a file is via the menu. This allows you to immediately check whether your file format is supported. Navigate to the location where your files are stored and double-click on a file. If the format is supported, it will open in the channel browser on the right-hand side. Here, you can see the file name along with an alias in front of it. Below that, you'll find data keys, and in the third section, you'll see the signals associated with the selected data key. If you double-click on any signal, a preview graph will appear, allowing you to inspect the underlying values. To plot a diagram, simply select one or more signals and drag and drop them into the main window. You can then choose your diagram type, and it will be plotted immediately. The second way to open a file is by using drag and drop, for example, from Windows Explorer. In this example, I have a file on the desktop. I grab the file and drop it into the channel browser, and as you can see, it opens as well. The third method is through the Data Explorer, one of Concerto's core features. When you open it, you'll see existing data sources on the left side and various data environments, such as our demo files. But now, let's create a brand new data source. First, you'll see a list of all natively supported file formats, for example, ASAM ODS, MATLAB, MDF, and many more. Simply select the required file format and assign it a specific name. Next, navigate to the location of your files. This can be a local folder or a network drive. Confirm the folder and a new data source will appear on the left side. In the middle pane, you'll see the files contained in this data source. If you select and open one, it will also appear in the channel browser. If the file contains many signals, you can use the filter to narrow down the results. In upcoming episodes, we'll show you more ways to modify data sources within the Data Explorer. Stay tuned for more insights into AVL CONCERTO.